Now, good morning, students. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the next topic for your class 10 syllabus, that is your arithmetic progression. Okay, the first of all, with the definition, what does arithmetic progression tells? An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which each term can be obtained by adding a certain quantity to its preceding term. To the preceding term, if I add some quantity, it will give you the next term. Let's say if we take this example 2, 4, 6, 8. Next term we are getting by what? By adding 2 to the previous term. 6 will get by adding 2 to the previous term. 8 will added by adding 2 to the previous term. Clear? So this type of sequence are called as your arithmetic progression. Okay, if we add certain number to the previous quantity. Okay, clear, by adding to the preceding term. Clear? This is your AP series or arithmetic progression. Clear? Understood? The sequence can also be in a negative terms, addition of negative terms. Like say if I take 12, 8, 4, 0, if this is an AP series or not, how will know it? Like say if the difference between them is what? Like 12, if I add minus 4 in 12 will give you 8. If I had here minus 4 is the difference, no? The difference is of minus 4. Yes or no? Clear? Understood? In each term the difference is of minus 4. The previous 8 minus 12 I'll do. 8 minus 12, 4 minus 8, the difference is of minus 4. It means from this term, if I add minus 4 in it, if I add minus 4 in the first term, 8 will get. If I add minus 4 in the 8, I'll get 4. If I add minus 4 in 4, I'll get 0. Clear? So this is what the AP series states. Clear? Understood? So this type of questions are called as this type of sequence are called as AP series. Clear? Now when we have a AP series, remember that the first term in the AP series is called as A. We call it as the A. A is the first term. Okay, understood? A is the first term in the AP series. Clear? In this case A is 2, in the first case A is 2, in the second case A is 12. Clear, all of you? So A is the first term. D is called the common difference. There are terms you need to know in a AP series. What is common difference? In question 1, if I take out the common difference, the D will be equals to 4 minus 2. The next term minus the previous term. Okay, will give you how much? 2 as the common difference. In question number 2, if I take out the common difference, D will be equals to 8 minus 12 equals to minus 4. Clear? This what values we have written down. That is the common difference. Okay, the difference, the common difference in the previous term and the next term. Clear? Understood? This is called the common difference. A is the first term, D is the common difference. The first sequence, the A is how much? Is 2. In the second sequence, the A is how much? 12. Clear? Understood, all of you? This is A and D. Clear? Understood? Now you need to know that in the AP series, the formula for calculating the term of an AP series, that is Tn, any term n of an AP series can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for calculating the term in an AP series. This is how you calculate a term in an AP series. A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this was the formula for calculating the term of an AP series. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. If you take the example which you have done in the previous question, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this way the question given. Okay, clear? Now in this question, now this you know that A is what? A is called the first term and n is the number of term which term I have to calculate, and D is the common difference. Okay, in the previous only we have learned A is the first term, n is the term, and D is the common difference. Yes or no? Now if I see here, what is A in this series? A is 2. What is your D here? D is given as how much? 4 minus 2, that is how much? 2. Clear? Understood? So if I want to calculate the first term T1, there will be how much? A plus n minus 1 into D is how much? A plus n minus 1 is 1, no? N is 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0, so A plus D. n minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. A plus d, that is how much? A plus d. First term in the AP series is, sorry, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into d is 0. Yes or no? Clear? So the first term in the AP series is A, that is how much? Is 2. Clear? Yes or no? The first term in this AP series is what? 2. If I take out T2 will be how much? A plus n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 into d is d. So we'll give you how much? We'll give you how much? A plus d is how much? A was 2, 2 plus d is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, second term is 4. If I take out T3, it will be A plus 2d. It is 1 less, okay? If T1 A only, if T2 is A plus d, T3 will be A plus 2d. 3 means what? 3 minus 1 is 2 d. So it will be how much? 2 plus 2 into 2 is how much? To the 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Clear? T4 if I calculate, A plus how much? A plus 3d. 1 less, if 4 will be 3d. Clear? So it will be 2 plus 3 into 2. 3 to the 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Clear all of you? And so this way we can calculate any term. If I know A and D, okay, if I know A and D, I can calculate any term. If I want to calculate T10, let's say if I want to calculate T10 will be what? A plus, it should be A plus 9D first thing. So what is A given? 2 is A plus 9 into D is 2. Will give you 2 plus 9 to the 18 is how much? 20. Clear? So this is how we can calculate a term in an AP series. The formula is A plus n minus 1 in D. Which term I need to calculate? That I need to know. That will be n. Understood? T10 is here the n. Clear? That term we can calculate by with the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is how we calculate the T term. Clear? So this is the term formula, and one form now formula for sum also we in your AP series we have to do two things. To our term formula to apply, and a sum formula. Sum formula for a AP series. If I want to calculate the sum of this series, okay, how we calculate the sum? The formula is what? The sum formula S equals to n by 2, okay, bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum. Clear? Understood? 2n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into this one formula is there. One formula we have is s equals to n by 2 bracket a plus l. Okay, l here is the last term. L is called the last term. In case in the question last term is given, okay, in a series, if like layer 10, if I given here 50, okay, so if the last term is given the question, then we can apply this formula. Okay, n by 2, a the first term, l is the last term, a is the first term, n is the number, the term which you are going to find. Till how much term I have to calculate the sum? Okay, till the 5th term or till the 8th term, that will be n. Okay, and d is known as the common difference. Clear? So these are the formula we need to remember. Okay, so these are the kind of formula which we required in the chapter. These are the 3 formulas which we need. Okay, now let's do some question based on this exercise. Now the next we'll discuss about type of question from this chapter. The first type of question is check whether a given series in AP series or not. Now number 1, let's say we're taking 2, 6, 10, 14. Now this sequence is given, okay, and you have to check whether this sequence given is an AP series or not. How we'll do it? We'll take out the common difference. The D will be taking out. How we calculate the common difference? This we need to calculate. If the common difference is coming same in each case, it means the term is in AP series. The terms are in AP series. Like the first 2 terms, if I take the common difference, D will be equals to what? D will be your 6 minus 2. If I calculate, will be 4. Okay, then if I calculate your 10 minus 6, that is also 4. If I calculate 14 minus 10, that is also 4. Clear? So in each case, the common difference which you're getting is how much? 4. Yes or no? Clear? Since what will write? Since the common difference is same, so what you can say? The given term is in the sequence. The sequence is AP. Clear? And so if the common difference is not coming same, the sequence will not be an AP. Let's say if I take 5, 9, 12, 18, dot. Okay, now if I take out the common difference in each case, what will get? First case will be 9 minus 5. Always second minus first. Okay, second minus first. So 9 minus 5 will be giving you 4. 12 minus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. 18 minus 12 is how much? 6. So in each case the common difference is coming how much? Different. So it is not an, this is not an AP series. Clear? This is a type 1 question. Now next type of question is finding the term. The next type of question is finding term. This we have already done in the previous, before in the video today itself. Now let's say if I'm finding the 24th term, find the 24th term. Okay, so this question is given, find 24th term in the sequence 12, 10, 8, 6 dot dot is given. Okay, now with this we know that we have to apply Tn formula. T20 we have to calculate T24. T24 will be what? A plus 23D. You know the formula was what? A plus n minus 1 in this. So the since your Tn formula was A plus n minus 1 into D, n is given as 24, so 24 minus 1 is 23D. So A plus 23D we have to calculate. Okay, so we have to substitute the values of A and D. A is how much? The first term is how much? 12. So 12 plus 23 into D. What is D? Calculate D. D will be how much? D will be equals to 10 minus 12 is how much? 2. Each case it should come same. 8 minus 10 is 10 minus 12 is minus 2. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So it will give you minus 2. Clear? So it will give you 12 minus your 46. Clear? So answer will be how much? So it will give you minus 34. So this is your T24, the term, finding the term. 24th term, the T24 term is minus 34. Clear all of you? So this type of question is there, finding term. Okay, the next type of question is finding n. Okay, finding n. Now in this case you have to calculate the last term will be given for finding n. How many terms are there in the AP series given? 4, 7, 10, 13 till 148. It means A is given as 4. What is D? D is given as 7 minus 4 as 3. Clear? A and D is given, and we know the last term here. If I calculate the last, for the last term, if I calculate the n, so we know the last term, that will, if I apply the last term, the formula for the last term, okay, that will give it Tn formula. If we apply A plus n minus 1 into D, and if I substitute the last term here, the last term is 148. The last term T n term, we will calculate n if for the last term, and then we'll get the number of terms in the series. So A is given as 4 into n is n minus 1 into D is 3. So from here we'll calculate the value of n, will get the number of terms in the series if I use the last term in the Tn formula. Clear? So calculate from here now. Okay, apply the wrong formula. Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, plus is also there. So 4 plus n minus 1 into 3. We calculate how much will get your n. So 148 minus 4 equals to 3n minus 3. Okay, so we'll give 144 equals to 3n minus 3. Yes or no? So therefore we'll get what? We'll get 144 we have got as 3n minus 3. So 147 is 3n. So n will be how much? 147 by 3. Clear? 3 for the 12. 3 9 27. So n is how much? N is 49. Clear? This is the number of terms. Therefore the number of terms in the AP is 49. Clear? This is how we calculate the n in an AP series. Clear? Okay, now next is about application of algebra in your AP series. Let's do some question based on it. Okay, so the basics of algebra will be applicable here. If fifth and the sixth term of AP are 6 and 5. Fifth term means what? T5 is given as 5, and the T6 sixth term is given. T5 is given as 6, and sixth term is given as 5. Clear? And if you have to find the 11th term. For finding the 11th term, it means I have to calculate. We need to have A and D. For finding 11th term, T11 I have to find. We have to calculate A plus 10D. Okay. It means I need to have A and D. Okay, so how will you get this? For this we'll applying seeing what we know. T5 means what? T5 means, since you know the Tn formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. If I apply, your T5 will be what? T5 will be equal to how much? A plus 4D. That means your a plus 4d equals to 6. Yes or no? If I take this, we can write a plus 5d equals to 5. Sixth term is a plus 5d, fifth term was a plus 4d. Clear or not? So a plus 4d is 6 and a plus 5d is 5. Now with this, we'll solve simultaneous equation and get the value of a and d. So we solve the simultaneous equation. I solved there only, so we got a and a cancelled. Minus d equals to 1, you know, to d equals to minus 1, and if I substitute, we got a as 10. So once we got this a and d value, this d value is minus 1 and a value is 10. This value I'll substitute here, a plus 10d, and we'll get the t11. Okay, so what will be a plus 10d? A is how much? A is your 10. So 10 plus 10 into d is minus 1. So we'll give you how much? We'll give you 10 minus 10 is 0. So t11 is 0 given. Clear? Understood? This is how we calculate the this type of algebraic questions. Clear? Simple algebra you have to apply. Simultaneous equation we have done here. Now same basic algebra, one more AP question I'm doing now. Find the AP. I have to write the AP series whose second term is given 12. It means 2 is given as 12. And 7 term exceed the 4th term. 7 term exceed the 4th term. 7 term is more than the 4th term by 50. It means T7 is more than T4 by 15. Clear? This is given. Now apply here the formulas. What will I? T2 means what? A plus D equals to 12 is given, the first equation. Now T7 means what? Second one will get what? A plus 6D minus A plus 3D. T4 is a plus 3d. Okay, will be equals to 15. Now solve this, will get second equation. A plus 6d minus a minus 3d equals to 15. A cancel will give you how much? 9d equals to 15. D equals to your, sorry, not 9d, 6 minus 3 is 3. 3d equals to 15. 15 by 3, so d will be giving you how much? 3 5 is 15, so d is 5. Clear? So we have got D. Calculate A now. Okay, so therefore what we get? A. We know that A plus D was 12. So will be A plus 5 equals to 12. A is how much? 12 minus 5 is A equals to 7. Clear? Understood? So A and D we have got. Now we know we can find, you to find the AP. It means to find the AP series. We know the AP series what? The AP series we know how we write. AP series we know, we write it as here. We write the first term A, then A plus D, second term A plus 2D, third term, at least 3 terms we will be writing for an AP series. Then dot dot dot. First A is how much? 5. Next A is 5 plus 7. Okay, sorry. First A is 7. Sorry. We get A as 7 first. Okay, first A is 7. Then we have 7 plus 5, then we have 7 plus 2 into 5 dot dot dot. Clear? So therefore what will get? 7 comma 12 comma 5 to the 10 plus 7 is 17 comma dot dot dot. So this is the AP series we're getting. Clear? So the final AP series is 7 comma 12 comma 17 comma dot dot dot. Clear? So this is how we find the AP series. Okay, so the type of question which we get from